If you've been doing what you love but feel like the money isn't matching your effort, don't worry, you're in the right place. Hey ladies, welcome to A Branded Presence, the channel where we help you create your unique brand, build your online presence, and charge what you're really worth. I'm Ms. Million9, your go-to virtual brand guide, here to walk you through everything branding, website design, and social media management. Let's start with the truth. Many of us undercharge because we're afraid. Afraid of rejection, afraid of losing clients, or worse, afraid that we're not good enough to justify higher prices. But here's the thing, when you don't charge what you're worth, you're telling the world that your time, expertise, and energy have no value. And trust me, we're leaving that mindset behind starting today. Know your worth by listing everything you bring to the table. Think beyond your basic skills. What experiences have shaped you? What challenges have you overcome to get here? Write down specific wins, like the time you helped a client grow their sales or created a product that sold out. Seeing this on paper will help you realize you're not just good, you're valuable. And that's what people pay for. Research your market. What are others in your field charging? Notice I said research, not compare. You're not here to undercut competitors, you're here to see where you fit and then position yourself accordingly. If you're bringing value and experience to the table, don't be afraid to price yourself higher. People are willing to pay for quality. Your prices reflect your self-worth. Let's get something straight, your price isn't just a number on an invoice. It's a message to your clients, your competitors, and even to yourself about how much you believe in the value you provide. When you don't believe you're worth higher rates, you send out subtle signals, hesitation, lack of confidence, or fear that clients can pick up on. But when you fully stand behind your price, you start attracting clients who respect you and understand that you're offering more than a service, you're offering results. Self-worth shows up in every interaction you have with clients. It's in the confidence of your voice, the way you present your proposals, and how you respond when someone questions your rates. The magic happens when you see your worth, you stop justifying your prices, and people stop asking you to. Your price becomes a statement of power, not a point of negotiation. When you charge based on the transformation you provide instead of the hours you put in, you shift from being affordable to being irreplaceable. Set your price, believe in it, and let the right clients find you. Now, you might be thinking, but what if I lose clients by raising my prices? Let me tell you, losing clients who don't see your value is a blessing in disguise. When you set higher prices, you attract clients who respect your work and are willing to invest in your success. Think about it this way, when you chase low-paying clients, you're constantly stuck trying to prove your worth while barely making any money. No matter how hard you work, they won't see the value you bring. But when you position yourself as the expert, with the experience and results to back it up, everything changes. High-paying clients won't need convincing, they'll already know you're worth it and will be happy to invest in your services. Package your expertise into high-ticket bundle offers that attract premium clients by delivering high-value solutions to their biggest challenges. When you package your services around results, not just tasks, you position yourself as the go-to expert. That is the position you want your brand to be in. You're more than your fears, and you're more than the money you've been settling for. If today's video resonated with you, do me a favor please. I'd love to hear in the comments, what's one thing you'll do today to start charging your worth? Thank you for watching. I am Ms. Million9, your virtual branding guide, and I will see you next time. Cheers!